Hello, today I'll show you how to make beautiful ornaments for festive decoration. They're simple to make, you don't need a lot of special tools, and the process is actually really relaxing. It's something you could do while watching your favorite TV show. My name is Basia and I'll walk you through each step and share a few tips to make the whole project much easier so you can create something really lovely for your home or studio. Here we go. For the materials, you will need a very thin brass sheet or foil. I went for 0.1 millimeters brass sheet because I wanted these ornaments to be a bit more solid, and that was the thinnest I could find. If you prefer a foil, you can choose the 0.07 thickness, also marked as 70 microns. It should be super easy to work with. For the tools, you will need little sharp scissors, could even be nail scissors from a beauty shop, a little roller or something for flattening the metal, could even be a rawhide mallet, it can be anything that would work at flattening bent edges. And the most important tools are those embossing styluses, also called tracing dotting tools, which you will use to emboss your ornaments, and a piece of felt. Not too thin, felt works the best because it's soft. To make holes, you can use any sharp punching tool or hole punching pliers. Now, for your designs, you can of course draw them yourself, or you can use Canva to find the shapes that you like. And then you can use a tracing paper and a Sharpie to transfer your designs so that you don't have to keep printing out the new ones. To keep it in place while tracing, you can use a masking tape, for example. In addition, you will need a colorful ribbon or a wire to hang your ornaments. Okay, now let's start making. So right now I am only tracing the line very lightly, just transferring the design onto the metal so that I can remove the paper and start working on embossing. Okay, so now it's important part that I want you to pay attention to. I flipped my design, and as you can see, I am going once again right next to the lines that I've made previously to deepen the design and to emboss even better so that the shape is more pronounced and it just looks much better. Let's do one more. After cutting all of these out, I started making little holes so I could attach ribbons. Are you planning on making any ornaments this year? Do you like to use paper or metal or maybe another medium? Let me know in the comments below. I've been meaning to try these brass ones for a while as I really love how they look. You could use copper sheet too for that soft rosy color. You can also play around with different patterns and textures. Each element can be different, and honestly, a set of ornaments like this could also make a lovely gift for someone. If you're new to working with metal sheet, this is such a fun, beginner-friendly project to try. It doesn't require many tools, and the results are really pretty. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!